Welcome to GasTech 2024. I am so excited to be here with my team. This is going to be the most phenomenal event. It's the first time it has been in Houston in 5 years. And let me just tell you, we have come out in force. Over 40,000 people are here, over 800 exhibitors, and so many of our customers from all around the world have come to join IBM at this fantastic event to collaborate on AI, ML, hydrogen, carbon capture, all of the things that are absolutely core to IBM's development and where we're actually leading and we're winning with oil and gas all across the world, and chemicals, of course. So excited to be here. Please come find us on LinkedIn, check us out, come through, connect with us. I know so many of our customers are there from Australia, from Spain. I've had so many of you reach out. I would love to see you. Please connect, let us know your thoughts. Tell us what you're thinking. Tell us what blows you away about the show. We'd love to hear more. Anyhow, from now, I'll be back to give you an update on GasTech later. Thank you so much for tuning in.